Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data science with T-Mobile easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a solid understanding of data science fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with key concepts like statistics, programming, and machine learning. Next, choose a programming language to focus on. Python is a popular choice due to its simplicity and powerful libraries. Install Python and necessary data science libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Now, create a free T-Mobile account if you don't already have one. Access T-Mobile's developer portal to explore the data and resources available. Find relevant datasets that interest you on the T-Mobile platform. Import the datasets into your Python environment for analysis. Begin by cleaning the data to remove any inaccuracies or missing values. Utilize Pandas for data manipulation. Next, explore the data using visualizations to understand patterns and trends. Matplotlib and Seaborn are excellent libraries for creating these visualizations. Once you have a grasp of the data, start forming hypotheses. Use statistical methods to test your hypotheses against the dataset. If you're interested in predictive modeling, consider using scikit-learn. Develop models based on your data to predict outcomes. Evaluate your models using appropriate metrics to ensure accuracy. As you build your skills, work on real-world projects to enhance your portfolio. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in data science. Make use of online resources and courses to further your knowledge. Apply your learning by participating in competitions like Kaggle. Finally, connect with other data science professionals through forums and networking events. This engagement will provide valuable insights and support as you embark on your data science journey with T-Mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.